When grilling season comes around, I'm always the first one to get everyone together for an afternoon party here. So I like to know that I'm always prepared. Of course, a big part of being prepared, perhaps the most important part, is getting together all the tools that you need. Until now, that has not been easy because each tool has come individually. With the Roxon 5-in-1 barbecue tool, though, everything is about to change. The Roxon 5-in-1 barbecue tool is a multi-purpose utensil that consists of a set of tongs, a fork, a spatula, a sharp knife, and a bottle opener. Now when you store your barbecue away for the winter, you only need to store one tool, not 5. Made from stainless steel with glass fiber handles and weighing just 526.6 grams, this is an efficient, stylish tool, perfect for any and all grill masters.
The Camp Chef Yukon is more than just a stove. It's the perfect companion for your next adventure. It is a foundation for a variety of cooking accessories, so you can go where you want and cook what you want. From portability to versatility, the Yukon provides what you need on the go. The Yukon has 2 powerful 30,000 BTU burners and temperature control knobs to maintain your grilling needs. A huge 448 square inch cooking area. Whether you cook from backcountry to back patio or somewhere in between, the Yukon stove is for you. Camp Chef, the way to cook outdoors.
Introducing GoSun Sizzle, the most powerful, fuel-free oven of all time. Reach temperatures that compete with fire without the drama of smoke, dangerous flames, or a nasty cleanup job. Bake, boil, roast, or fry with space-age technology that's down to earth. The Sizzle is brought to you by GoSun's lead investor and resident rocket scientist, Glenn McGilray. Seriously, he's a rocket scientist. It runs on the GoSun Fusion evacuated tube, with a near-perfect vacuum insulation so you can cook in any weather. With over 4 liters of volume, the stainless steel cooking tray also has electric backup so you can continue to cook at night or indoors. By unfolding a massive reflector and tilting it at our closest star, the Sizzle cooks for up to 6 in just 30 minutes, thanks to a new cosmic acrylic parabolic mirror. To adjust temperature or cook time, just open or close the reflectors. Plus, you can store a hot, juicy meal inside for hours. Like all GoSun products, the Sizzle is guaranteed to fuel your fun and be there for when you need it. It comes with free shipping, free returns, and a 1-year, no questions asked warranty. Still think it's just smoke and mirrors? Well, it's actually steam and mirrors, powered by the magic of the sun.
Although traveling light and small is always an issue in the backcountry and on road trips, some trips deserve more than the absolute minimalist approach. That's where the Flex 4 cook system comes in. Designed for groups of 4 or more, the Flex 4 system is a comprehensive cook set that offers the versatility to cook just about anything, anywhere. The cook set includes both a 5.3 hard anodized pot and a 3.2-liter non-stick pot with lids. Nested inside, you'll find 4 insulated stainless steel mugs and 4 deep dish plates. To save even more space, the mugs have room for the MSR folding utensils, spice shakers, or other camp kitchen accessories.
The MSR Flex 4 cook system is the perfect system for groups and families, whether on river trips, backpacking trips, or just car camping for the weekend. If you like even more cooking options, the Flex skillet is designed to nest within the system, making it perfect for everything from pasta to pancakes.
This is the ComplEAT by Gerber. The ComplEAT is designed for users who need a tool that they can cook, clean, and eat with, that's compact, organized, and easy to transport. Not only is the spatula a chassis to hold the rest of the implements together, it's got a silicone edge for scraping and cleaning, got a serrated edge for light cutting duty, and its glass-filled nylon construction is rigid enough to be a real spatula and withstand high temperatures. The ComplEAT also includes a fork and a spoon, either of which can be used to convert the spatula into a pair of tongs. Also included with the ComplEAT is a 4-function solid-state multi-tool that includes a package opener, can opener, bottle opener, and vegetable peeler. The ComplEAT's nesting design makes it easy to transport, and its aluminum and glass-filled nylon construction makes it corrosion resistant. All that, and it also weighs less than 2.5 ounces. The ComplEAT is available in silver, onyx, flat sage, and burnt bronze.